Say you just got invited to a last-minute holiday get-together at your boss's house, or your significant other came home with the news that they've agreed to dinner with the family at grandma's house, who you've never met. You can't go empty-handed, but it's the holidays. All your time is filled with baking, shopping, getting your nails done, wrapping, decorating. Don't worry, just keep watching. I'm on it, and I have you covered with simple, quick, crowd-pleasing, last-minute gift ideas. My idea behind this video is to find gift ideas that you can pick up conveniently on your way home from work or getting your nails done, but still make it look like you spent loads of time and effort putting it together, and you didn't just pick up a pre-made basket. So first up is a quick DIY little cheese board. The dollar store carries some pretty decent wood cutting boards. I picked this one up at the Dollar Tree. So when you're out and about, grab yourself a cutting board and some clear gift bags like this. Your next stop will be the grocery store, where you're gonna pick up a couple of bricks of tasty cheese and some sides to match. This is what I have. Now, all you have to do is assemble. Largest items first. Then secure the cheese and your other little items with some tape. No one's going to see the tape under the cellophane. And I'm going to add some chocolates because chocolate's yummy. Last step, wrap it in your cellophane bag. And you can actually tape the whole thing down to the board. Now it can go in the bag. And here's a quick personalized charcuterie board ready to be gifted. But I kind of want to eat it. Gift cards make fantastic gifts. Unfortunately, their cuteness level is about a 2. But this is going to fix that. You need to start off with 2 chocolate bars and some plain white printer paper. Now use your printer paper as wrapping paper and wrap up your chocolate bars, one at a time. Both my chocolate bars are wrapped, and here's my gift card, but I'm gonna focus just on one of them, this one right here. And I'm gonna turn him into a snowman. First, I'm gonna glue on with hot glue some eyes. I'm using buttons. Now some of you might be thinking, I don't keep spare buttons around the house. That's okay, you can just draw them on or cut out little black dots. There, he's got some eyes. And now he's going to need a nose. So I got an orange Sharpie. Again, you can just cut out orange construction paper. He's got his little nose, and now he needs a mouth, so black Sharpie. Now take your other chocolate bar, put your gift card on top, so you're pretty much making a sandwich. And there we go. And a little piece of ribbon. And you can either tie it or hot glue it. I'm just going to trim up his scarf. He's looking pretty cute. And on the back, you can just write your to's and froms. Isn't he adorable? Now this definitely brings him to a 10 out of 10. And not only are you giving a gift card, you're also giving the gift of chocolate. Oh, if you're worried that like your gift card might slide out or they might come apart, like the 2 chocolate bars might come apart, just add like a little dab of glue or some double-sided tape. But what an easy gift. So some of you are thinking, it's the holidays, I am too busy to be drawing a snowman. No problem, grab yourself a mug and some sort of festive chocolate. I give myself some options here. I have a chocolate bomb or festive eggies. First, fill the mug with tissue paper. Then add chocolate. and top off with your gift card. Now all you need to do is wrap it in cellophane. Wine is always a quick and easy gift, so why not dress it up? When you happen to be out and about, remember to pick up a cute scarf. I have this black and white one. It's so soft and super cozy. And this coziness is going to become my wrapping paper / gift bag. Lay out the scarf and line up the wine bottles end to end in the middle. Just leave a little gap, like about 2 inches. Neatly start rolling up the bottles. When you get near the end, fold over the edge and make sure it ends up on the inside of the bottles. Grab an elastic band. Lift the bottles together and secure them with the elastic band. This scarf is pretty long, so on the last twist of the elastic, I pulled through 2 of the loops, kind of like a bow. Now with some festive ribbon, make another bow. This is pretty, but it also gives more support to your scarf gift bag. And if you want to make it just a little more festive, you can add a pine cone or some ornaments, or maybe even some greenery. Just tuck it right in there. Maybe a little lower. Oh, he looks kind of cute. Looks like he's being hugged. There we go. And now you can carry this to your party. Like wine, candles make great last-minute gifts. And I know some of you have like an entire closet dedicated just to your Bath & Body Works candles. So this is a fun way to gift them. You'll need a candle, of course, a tea towel, and a scrunchie. I'm also using a stand that I made. You can check out how I made these in this video right here. And, well, I also happen to knit this scrunchie myself too because, well, I love knitting. So let's put this together. You're going to unfold your towel and place your candle right in the middle. And then neatly kind of fold it up. I forgot the stand. Put your stand if you have one, then put your candle on top and fold it up neatly. And now secure it with your scrunchie. So this is a few gifts in one. You get a candle, the candle stand, a tea towel, and a scrunchie. And you have a really cute way to gift it. Oh, one more thing. Let's make it festive. There. You can also put in a candy cane, but really, who likes candy canes? I don't know. Better to stick like a Toblerone in there. I hope this video has given you some cute but quick gift ideas. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to give me a gift, how about you hit that subscribe button? I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! I had an elastic band. Where'd it go? Uh-oh. I should have the cellophane pre-cut, so you don't have to watch me fighting with it. Duh. Let's get ready. I'm wearing a cactus, because I love cactuses. This is a saguaro found in the Sonoran Desert, which I love. That's my desert. But this is so cute, isn't he? Okay. Let's get some real work done.